In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Firebase to an Android app project in Android Studio. If you're developing an app and want to incorporate Firebase functionalities like authentication, real-time databases, or analytics, adding Firebase is an essential step. So let's get started. First off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your favorite search engine. Begin by typing in Firebase and hit Enter. You'll find the Firebase website among the top search results. Click on it, and this will take you to the Firebase homepage. Now, ensure that you're logged into your Google account. If not, take a moment to log in because you'll need it for setting up your Firebase project. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the Firebase console. Here, you'll find an array of Firebase services. Look for the option to create a new project. Go ahead and click on Create a Project. You'll be prompted to enter a project name. Think of something meaningful and easy to remember for future reference, then click Continue. At this point, you might see the option to enable Google Analytics for your project. This step is highly recommended as it provides valuable insights into user interactions and can greatly assist in optimizing your app effectively. Once you've made your choice about Google Analytics, click on Create Project. After a brief moment, your project will be ready. You'll arrive at the project overview page. Look towards the top right, find the settings icon and click on it. Scroll down and you'll notice several platform icons. Since we're focusing on Android, click on the Android icon. Now, it's time to enter your Android app's package name. You can locate this in your module's build.gradle file within your Android Studio project. Once the package name is correctly entered, fill in the optional fields, such as the app nickname and your app's debug signing certificate SAA1 key. This key is particularly useful for Firebase authentication and other services. When you're ready, proceed by clicking Register App. The next step is crucial. Download the Google Services JSON file. This file contains all the necessary configurations for connecting your app to Firebase. Save it to your local machine as you'll need to add it to your Android app project in Android Studio later. Finally, it's time to configure your Gradle files. First, add the Google Services plugin and then include the required Firebase SDK dependencies into your project-level and app-level build Gradle files. Sync your project and you're all set. With these steps completed, you have successfully integrated Firebase into your Android app project in Android Studio. You can now explore various Firebase services and add more functionalities to enhance your application. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!